If you want to move data from your memory card or to the memory card on your Samsung Galaxy A27, first of all, we need to open the My Files app, which is in the Samsung folder in App Drawer. So let's go ahead and open this. Now, once we go to the My Files app, then over here we should be able to simply find whatever we want to transfer. So, in fact, it is recommended to first choose the internal storage over here, and then you can try to find whatever you want to transfer to the memory card. So first we are trying to transfer from the phone to the microSD card. You can also tap here on Essentials in order to see the full list of folders, and you can go through these folders in order to try to find whatever you want to transfer. You can also try to use these categories that we have at the top. So let's say if I go to images, I should be able to find pretty much every photo and video that well, just photo actually, since it is images, that I have on my phone. So now I'm gonna just press and hold my finger to select a couple of example photos. Now we're gonna use Move at the bottom of the screen, and then here at the top we need to switch from the internal storage to SD card, since we are transferring from phone to the memory card, and then we need to decide where it should be saved. So let's say I'm gonna choose this DCIM folder over here, and I'm just gonna move it here. And there we go. Now you might see that we still have the same list of images. I still have these images that I just transferred, but this time we can see here the microSD card icon, so this clearly indicates that these files are actually saved on the memory card. Now, if you want to transfer something from the memory card to your phone storage, then once again you can use these categories and you can just select every file that you want to transfer that is in the memory card, and you can use Move. And then instead we need to go to the internal storage now, of course, and then the rest is the same. You just choose where you want to save these files, and then you can, of course, confirm that you move here. And besides that, you can also go to the SD card storage, and of course over here you should be able to find whatever you want to transfer, and then you can select anything that you want to transfer, and the rest is pretty much the same. So you have two options. You can either choose specific storage first and then where you want to send it, or you can use these categories. And in both cases it works in a very similar way. Leave a like and subscribe.